Training them in-house, we train them the Krones way, the way that we need them for Krones. So we can mold our own apprentice. The other benefit with this is also I know exactly what I get out of it versus I have somebody coming in that I don't know anything about. So we face these challenges quite frequently, especially in this labor market right now. We see this a lot, that there's a lot of fluctuation, so there's a lot of people turnover. You see a lot of people come and go. So at that moment, it's very beneficial to us to build and grow our own apprentices, so we know the skill set of the person when it hits our labor market in manufacturing.
Being able to train our apprentices and then step right into manufacturing or service, we know them, we know their background, we trust them, and they can move up faster in the company. As far as previous apprentices go, we have previous apprentices in both manufacturing and service, doing incredibly well.
To really start an apprenticeship, first of all, you need to have a dedicated person as a trainer. You cannot do it with, as I mentioned earlier, you cannot do it as a side business. You need a dedicated person. You need a dedicated area, of course, and for sure you need the entire buy-in from your company.
Right, we can tailor their classes, their lessons, their activities in the tech school and in-house to skills we want.
We have very ambitious goals for the apprenticeship program coming up to grow the program. I mean, as I mentioned in the beginning, we started out with 2-3 apprentices at a time. Now we are really trying to grow this to a yearly growth of 10 apprentices. So we really want to build our own pipeline, our own development for our manufacturing team.
I like when they get excited when they figure things out, or when they finish a project and you can see in their face that they're like, wow, like, oh, that turned out cool. Like, you see that proud moment in their face.
The apprenticeship overall is for Krones the future, I would call it.